So what is a Node.js? Node.js is basically a runtime environment. It provides the runtime environment for the JavaScript. Now let's try to understand what this runtime environment itself is. Just like we as a human, right? For us to thrive, we need a favorable environment, right? For example, I'll need oxygen, I'll need water. These are the chemical formulas of water, oxygen. You need a right temperature. Only if all these criteria are satisfied, I can thrive, I can live. Same way when it comes about the programming, right? When it comes about the computer, for any programming language, for example, if I have to run Java in this computer, so for that I need the right environment. Just like human needs the oxygen and H2O, Java for to be executed in this computer needs a right runtime environment. So it will need something called as a JVM, Java Virtual Machine. Similarly, let's say that if I have to run Python, I need to have the Python runtime. If I have to write JavaScript, JavaScript also need to have some kind of runtime. If I'm talking about the JavaScript, it also needs some kind of runtime. So Node.js is the runtime of the JavaScript. Node.js is the runtime of a JavaScript.